Joe, 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 Joe. I wanted to know if my voice, my cool. Let's work. So I took these cells, right? Like these cells, I took cells towards the downside, right? Because the market is actually performing. So I don't know if we are like the right, but we'll see how the market behaves. So let's analyze it real quick. So basically, what we're seeing is that the market advanced towards the upside, right? Then advanced towards the upside, right? Created like equal highs right here from here, from this area of interest and that area of interest, right? Let me just share like a big screen and stuff like that. And then advance towards that. So basically mitigating, right? So right here, I'm just waiting for any form of change in order flow so that I can at least try and push this market towards the upside, right? But if that doesn't work, an alternative to that move, that means that this is just liquidity, right? Which we might see order flow here. I'm going to take this trade. It's not to prove yourself wrong, it's just to listen to the market and see what it is doing so that you can react accordingly, right? So yeah, man, let's name our structures. So we saw that immediately after sweeping this liquidity, right? What happened? Immediately after sweeping this liquidity, the market decided to actually start towards the upside, right? And then immediately after that, we can focus on probably current price, literally, right? Focusing on the present, right? So when you got the market then advance towards the downside, advance towards the upside, advance towards the downside again, right? And then we have a blow of direction towards the downside here, right? I want to see people next year literally, but we'll see. It looks good. And then this is a proper change in order flow towards the upside, right? So we have another change in order flow towards the upside and so forth, right? And the market came back towards the downside and started, and the market then swept this liquidity here, right? It swept this liquidity right there, right? So it swept that liquidity. So we can just put X's there because the liquidity was the market has already tapped into, right? So this becomes your PUI basically, right? You can call it what you want, so whatever you want, right? So there's a point of interest in the way you want to see trades actually start advancing towards the upside and so forth, right? So what I am seeing is maybe the market at least coming here and then advancing towards the upside. That's what I am seeing, right? So basically or practically what I am looking for is so I'm seeing liquidity right there, right? So probably from that area of interest right there, right? After liquidity sweep. So basically that's what we're looking for. So immediately after the market sweeps that liquidity there, then we're looking for the upside. That's basically what we're looking for. So from there I will probably just add an alert right there, right? Because I took cells here. I'm going to show you why I took cells. Because I took the 15-minute time frame, right? 15 years, that was 15. Now when you look into the 15 minutes, you can see basically this market is two pieces right there, right? So probably until here, but we'll see. We'll see if it advances even lower, that would be really dope. That would be really beautiful. And this number is just there, and the market is actually running properly, nicely and smoothly. platform, I'm seeing market bullish. Wait, before we look at this is confluence. So let's just clear everything. Let me just refresh my analytics. All is just patterns, but it's fine. So as a see, liquidity is money. Remember, liquidity is money. Right? Liquidity is money left behind. It's money left behind. Alright, it's liquidity is money left behind. So what are we saying? Okay, when start sweeping that liquidity, what had happened? Okay, then advance towards the upside. Okay, to up, then advance towards the upside. You see that? I'm so excited. It's fine, looking scrumptious, looking beautiful, right? And then the market advance towards the downside and stuff like that. So we have a bit of direction towards the downside. Okay, literally was the flow here for our POI, right? So we can go already, we can go already, we got a bit of direction, right? We can have direction towards the downside, right? And then now having a bit of direction towards the downside, right? Yeah, that is just the concept of the interest rate thing, right? So now we're just waiting for the market to actually try and mitigate, tap into this area of interest rate thing, right? But now what I'm seeing is, right? This could be absolute liquidity, right? So the market might drop to sweep this liquidity. Remaining liquidity is this liquidity. Where's the points? We have 50% interest rate upon that area right? So now the market is trading in premium, and that part is increasing. So we're just waiting for the market to actually. That's basically what we're waiting for. What we are looking for, rather, right? Now we have an hour pushing and stuff like that, right? So as we refine this, because it's been now when we refine this, we need for a POI that's just like that area, right? So that it stands out again and stuff like that, right? So this could just be liquidity that is just like that area, which got swept, right? Happened is the market might have towards the upside, tap into here and then drop towards the downside, right? That's basically what I am seeing, right? This could push level, right? So this could be CP bearish. Immediately after, why am I saying that? There's a thing came back down, sweeping this liquidity right there. Doesn't make sense. Forming a change in order flow, right? So this could be your change in order flow bearish, right? So this could be your change in order flow bearish. Your high change in order flow bearish. Doesn't make sense. So that could be ads right there, right? And then that could can be like a big from that area of interest. Let me just delete it. So from this area from that change in order flow, should also make it okay, let's do that, just to make the chart cleaner, right? And more appealing. Yes, so that will be less towards the upside. That makes sense. So what might happen is that the market might actually advance towards the upside and then drop towards the downside. That will be really good on my S&P 500 as confluence, right? For the NASDAQ, right? Correct. It didn't respect this. You see that it swept liquidity, so that it was a sweeping liquidity. Doesn't make sense. So what are we looking for right now? So we're looking for this market to actually come back, mitigate, and then advance towards the upside. So that's what up here. That becomes a change in OI, right? That becomes my POI. So let's just put that as my demand. Yeah, let's just put that as my demand, right? So this becomes my internal structure, break off or change in order flow towards the upside, basically. Doesn't make sense. And then from there, what are we looking at? We're looking at the market resting upon that area of interest right there. Doesn't make sense. So this becomes your liquidity, right? You see that? So it's similar. You see that? It's just like yeah. So anything that is above is practically liquidity. So we just focus on our current price right now, right? So we don't want to dwell on here a lot and stuff like that. Does it make sense? So when we go to a much more thing to thinking about that, okay, this is how the market has actually behaved. You see that? So when we look for our equilibrium thing, so we can shy from the highest point to the lowest point, right? We have to not look for bullish movement this area. Yeah, that's basically what I'm looking at. And the goal concentrating on goal. So when you like look into the thing and stuff like that, you see why am I saying that, right? So let's go to that for the stuff. But yeah, how much? Was it coming out? Do you think it's coming to this would can be possible? What time is it? London session is okay, so now let's go real quick. I think I know what he needed actually to actually try and do some of the MCP thing. So we'll see how the market behaves. Took this buy towards the upside, and the market gave me right. It actually drops. Doesn't make sense. That's basically what I'm looking at right now. Right? So now I wanted to mitigate this later here. So now when you go to a much more time frame, you can tell what it is. See that? Do you see that? So that entire thing is just liquidity. So that's basically what we're waiting for. This area of interest right there before it actually drops towards the downside. That's I think I took that early. So I just had to wait. See the thing about this thing, he didn't watch just the mistakes that he's in money. That's why you have to be really patient. Right? Because your mistakes are rewarded by losing money. Your mistakes are rewarded.
That's what I meant. South Beach life party. Taking the coast, in my need a go, big cheese, big party. Size legs, my family in the garden. 내가 절로 좀 봐야지만 봐봐야지 끝끝처럼 공처럼 내내 판테 고배네요 도만이 they hate to see a nigga give. Slammers who grown, you niggas at my peers. I stepping on this, now I'm on the ears. I send that girl to a cut the leader. Make it bad, make it touch your ear. Can't get it, pioneer. Sauce on me, I need like 10 souvenirs. Like your bitch coming fast to a van. I shine to your 10, I'm that bad. Shy jeans, baby. I shot like that, lit face. I feel like I did it even then. I was pissing niggas running out of sauce, trying to put that hand in my blood. Niggas stuff they catch up with me over love, and it's a light splash. I done found out if you say this, I just know that I shot a better. I ain't never been so problematic. Forget, it's not automatic. I can push it, I can never panic. When I walk in, you can feel the static. Loyalty, they give me get a teddy. And I tell you how to where you can come around. Money got me in a lot of pounds. I was struggling, nigga, get it clear. No limits, I was never bound. Why the other niggas feel me now? Gotta probably get it full cut. I just worked inside a spot and tryna stunt. This relationship not lasting this a month. If you're talking to me, better drop the front. Phone wet, got it back to the front. Truck in the front, engine at the back. I can never let, I ain't never fucking around my never baby. Promise my man, never baby. Where you pop, I niggas, that's my thing. Never baby.